Okay. Hello guys. Good day to everyone. Today I will show you how to create a simple program displaying total average and then evaluate the total average if pass or fail. So using the if else statement in Java. Okay. So let's start. Open Creator and then we will create a new file. Okay. Java classes and Java class, or you can use the hotkey control and control N. So next, so I will create my class as displaying average. Okay, so within our class we will first import a package, scanner package. So above the above our class we will import the package. So import java dot util dot scanner. So we will change this. This is a constructor. So we will change this to main method and we will erase that displaying average to static void main and within the parentheses string close and open bracket arguments and then within the main method we will initialize the scanner. So scanner con for our variable name and scanner and then equal to new scanner. Okay, system dot in. Okay, and then system dot out dot print enter prelim grade. Okay, equal. So double. So because there is a grade that not all grade is a whole number because some are with decimal points and then anyway double prelim grade, okay, equals to con for our scanner variable and then next double. Why next double? Because our data type is double for prelim grade, okay, and then system dot out dot print enter midterm grade, okay, and then double equals double midterm grade equals to con dot next double, same to the prelim grade and then system dot out dot print enter prefi null grade, okay, and then double pre final grade equals to con dot next double and then for final grade system dot out dot print ups enter final grade, okay, so double final um final grade equals to con dot next double, okay, so next we will do is to total the average of prelim, midterm, pre-final, and then final. So double average, okay, equals to prelim lim grade, this prelim grade, okay, plus midterm grade plus pre-final grade, paste, and then the final grade. Okay, copy and paste there. And then we will close and open parenthesis and the positive signs, positive operator, so that when the program runs, the value of this prelim grade, midterm, pre-fi, and final grade will first will will, fir- will the first i- added by program or process. The first will process by the program, okay, and then divided by 4 because 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay, and then don't forget the semicolon. So we will build the file, okay. I'm sorry, and close parenthesis. We don't forget for the last quotation, okay. Okay, process complete. And then we will display also the total average. Print ln the total average is class average. So the operations here, the total average or the total output will be stored in this variable average. So we will call this total average. We call the average, and it will display there. Okay, and then we will run this so that okay. Now the program asking for the prelim grade. Okay, we will input 90, and then for the midterm grade we will input 85, and then for the pre-5 93, and then for the final grade is 100. Okay, the total average is 92.0, and then we will apply the if else statement. We will evaluate if the average is pass or fail. Okay, and then we will apply the if else statement. If what if the average is less than 75? Okay, what will be the output? I'm sorry, we will change that to 74. Less than or equal to 74, or 74 less 73, 72, 71, or 74. The output will be system out that print remarks, okay, failed. Oh, so it's said if if our total average is 94, 74 below, and then else if the total average is greater than 74. Print remarks passed. Okay, so let's try. We will build our file, and then okay, process complete. Enter. Enter, I'm sorry. Run the project rather. Okay, here in general output, the program asking for the prelim grade. So we will input uh, prelim grade 89, and then for Our midterm grade is 90, and then pre-final grade is 85.90, and then for the final grade is 95. Okay. The total average is 89.97975, and then the remarks is pass. So the total average is 89 and the remark is pass. So let's try what if the total average is less than or equal to 74. 74, 70, the midterm and final is 74 and 73 for the final grade. What a worst grade. Okay, example lang. So anyway, enter. So the total average is 72.75 and then the remarks is failed. Studied. So I know that all students don't want 74 below grades or a pass or a fail grade rather, and I hope that you will learn on my, you have learned on my tutorial displaying the average, the total average, and evaluating if the total average is pass or fail. Okay, this could be the source code. Okay, wait, and so this is the output, and then this is the source code. I hope that it will help your studies, and then please share this to your friends so that not only you, not only me will benefit on it. So thank you so much, and I hope that you learn a lot and then you understand on what I'm saying, and then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless as well.